All right, the Chromebook before drop testing, fully functional. We are ready to roll. Test number 1. What is this test?
Fully rugged drop test, 150 centimeters.
Okay. Test. So after test number 5, we are turning it on. She's still fully functional. All is good. Button. We do got some scuff marks from the corner drops, but she's still fully functional. Type in the password. Still able to move the mouse wherever you need to. We are good to go. I can power it off. Shut it down. Our last and final test, number 26. So after 26 tests, we are going to turn it back on. Some scuff marks on the corners, but computer is still fully functional. Log in. Still able to move the cursor around. Very little minor scuff marks, but other than that, after 26 drop tests, she is good.